boys and girls. My name is Teacher Lisa, and today we're going to be discussing an easy home activity for you to be doing at home. Today we're going to create, they're called number boxes. It's an easy number sense activity for the children to understand the value of a number and its quantity. We want them to see that numbers are more than a numeral. So by the end of this activity, we're hoping that they will understand that the number has a quantity to it. So just like we teach letter sounds, we want to teach number quantity and the value of a number. Even though your child may count higher than 12, we want them to understand the value, and so we're only going to do 1 through 12 for today. So let's start off with what materials you might need to do this activity. So we'll start off with a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you can just manually just draw the lines by yourself. A marker and a dot paint, a dot puncher, or however you want to call it, but we call them dot paints. We have sent one of these home with every child, so you should have one of these at home. Also, if you do not, you can use crayons or stickers. So there's other options to this activity. Also, you'll need a large piece of construction paper. It doesn't really matter the color. I have white, so that's what I'm using. But so let's get started. So for the ruler, you would need to draw the lines and make 12 squares. So if you could see, my paper is big enough for more, but I only did 12. Like I said, we want them to understand that each number has a quantity, and that it's a value, that there's a value to each number. So we're only going to start off small with 1 through 12. We need them to know that the numbers need to be recognized and not memorized. So at the end, there should be an end result where children will understand that that this is the number, and at the end they'll see that yes, this one only has 1 and this one only has 2, but as they go on, they're going to notice that, wait, this has 2 and this one has more, and then this one has more, and then this one has more. So we want them to know that there's a quantity to each number. So we're hoping that that's the end result. So like I said, the marker is for you to draw the lines and draw the numbers, and then everybody should have a dot paint. So you can start off guiding them with the first one. Some children might know what to do, but there's others that don't. But just to have a little bit of parental guidance, I would start off with them. Also, just to see if they get the concept of what they are doing, start off with them. So what I did was, you write the number 1, and you can ask them, do you know what number this is? Yes, it's number 1. Okay, so if I wanted to make dots in here, how many dots do you think I should make? Oh, 1. So it's okay if it's on top of the number. That's why I chose white personally. It's okay. It doesn't have to be like in the corner off the number or whatever. It's okay. You could still be able to see the number underneath it. And then you're going to go to the next one. Do you know what number this is? Yes, it's number 2. Okay, so how many dots do you think we should make in there? Oh, we should make 2. 1, 2. And then, I would say probably help them all the way up until you get to 4. And then after that, kind of see if they understand what they are doing. And then, so what number is this? That's 3. So they're going to make the 3 dots, and so on and so on. So by the time they get to 12 or a higher number, we're going to, you're hoping that they're going to notice that from here there was only 3, and over here there's 4 more. And then over here from 3 there's 5 more, and so on and so on. And that's where the number quantity comes in, and the value of each number. So it will take a little bit of parental guidance, but like I said, at the end, we're hoping that that they're going to understand the value and the quantity of each number. So boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this activity, and I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you.